Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and use custom school in College Football 27 play mode. So first we need to download a custom school. For that go to create and share. After that open download center. From here you can download any of the schools, playbooks or sliders. So I want to download a school. For that just go over to the school tab and then press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to open search. Then you can use keywords or username to find a specific school. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna download this school. Just select it and then you can either preview it before downloading or just select download option straight away to download the school in your game. Once the download is complete, go back from here and then open play mode. Now you can choose play now option. Depending on the side you're on, you need to hold down LT on Xbox or L2 on PlayStation if you're on the away side. If you are on the home side, then hold down RT on Xbox or R2 on PlayStation. If you kept the button held, then you should be able to see all of these categories. From here, just press up on your D-pad to find this team builder category. Just select it and release the trigger like this, and then you should be able to find all of the team builder teams you have downloaded in your game. So my team was this one. I have downloaded this team and then I can just select it like this and ready my team and the match will be started. So this is the way to use custom schools in College Football 27 play mode. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.